over 100 mils of rain here and about 160 mils down the coast. Numbers fell back to 240 cattle here today. However, the market was red hot. Here's the lead of the cows here. Jago making $3.80 or 90 all the way through. Very, very strong market. Yeah, the trade market here today produced numbers, but actually a stronger market there again. These better heifers here all been great assisted out of the coast, making from $5.20 through to $5.45, weighing 400 to 450 kilos. Coming out a bit of money.
We're running restocking heifers here today. These ones weighing 250 to 300 kilos, making $5.40 up to $6.10.
Restocker steers today, very dear again on last week. These good restocker steers here, the heavier ones making from $5.40 up to $6.20, and the lighter restocker steers made from $6.20 up to $7.20. Very strong here today.
On a little stronger market here today with the yarding of 5 bulls, bulls topped at $3.40.
Yeah, cow and calf finished the sale off today. Here she is here, beautiful calf on her. They're bought for $3,020. Beautiful unit there again. Now don't forget, resale next week, redraw I should say, redraw next week. We're last next week.